Looking for a compact projector with big screen impact? The Magcubic HY300 Pro plus projector packs smart Android features, clear visuals, and easy portability into one sleek device. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Magcubic HY300 Pro Plus projector, power adapter, remote control and user manual, product overview, on/off, HDMI, headset jack, USB, power, vent, rotate, focus wheel, lens, air inlet, remote overview, on/off, menu, source, directions, OK, home, return, volume up, volume down, mute. How to use? Set up your entertainment quickly with the Magcubic HY300 Pro Plus projector. Simply place it on a flat surface, plug it into the power, and turn it on. Adjust the focus and use the auto vertical keystone correction to get a crisp, perfectly aligned image. Take a moment to fine-tune these settings for the best possible viewing experience. How to connect? Turn on the projector and navigate to the Settings menu. Then select Wi-Fi. Choose your network from the available list, enter the password, and confirm. Once connected, the projector will display a confirmation or Wi-Fi icon, allowing you to start streaming content seamlessly. For a wireless connection, open Screencast to Miracast to start on the Magcubic projector. On your Android, open Smart View, select the projector, accept the prompt, and your screen will mirror instantly. You can connect your Android phone to the Magcubic projector using a USB-C to HDMI cable. Plug one end into the projector, the other into your phone. Select HDMI input, and your screen will mirror instantly. Power on the projector and insert your USB drive. Use the remote to select videos, photos, or music from the on-screen menu. Playback and controls are handled easily through the remote. Plug the HDMI cable into the projector and MacBook. Select HDMI and choose mirroring or extended display. For AirPlay, connect both to the same Wi-Fi, open Screencast, and select the projector to mirror your screen. Smart features. The projector has a built-in speaker that provides clear audio for movies, games, and presentations. It's perfect for quick setups without needing extra speakers. The projector features auto keystone correction, which automatically adjusts the image to appear perfectly rectangular. This ensures a clear and properly aligned display without manual adjustments. The projector supports 180 degrees rotation, allowing you to flip the image for ceiling or inverted setups. This makes it versatile for different mounting or placement options. Delivers a large, immersive viewing experience even in compact rooms. Perfect for apartments, bedrooms, or limited spaces without sacrificing screen size. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Magcubic HY300 Pro Plus projector from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Magcubic HY300 Pro Plus projector. See you in the next one.